Hi everyone, we're going to be going over these rules again just to reiterate the rules for factoring. So rule number one, if the back sign is a plus, the number in front of the C is a plus, the answers are going to be the same, plus plus or minus minus. If the back sign is a minus, we're going to have 1 plus, 1 minus. You're going to have to use process of elimination for some of those, and you'll get better at it. As you get better at it, you'll be able to see, oh, the factors of the number C that give us a combination that will equal the number in the middle. So in the back, -3 and +1, or +3 and -1. And you'll start to get better and better at it the more and more you look at these. Here's a good example. I want to express one topic here, which is there's a chance it could be no solution. So the solutions here would be 36 and 1. So it would be minus 36 minus 1, but that doesn't combine. It could be -6 and -6, but they don't combine to give you 13. It could be nothing. This one is actually a trick because there's one more I haven't said. Do you guys know what it is? It's -9 and -4. So let's talk about this new concept, which is GCF. So when you get a problem like this, which is GCF, you have to ask yourself, is there any variables or numbers that can be taken out of every single term before we begin? So the answer actually is yes. So let's start working. So the first thing you would do is take these and say, oh, I can take a 2 out of this, out of this, and out of this, out of A, B, and C. So you take a 2 out, but you have to do the opposite of the distributive property and literally put a 2 on the outside of parentheses. Now we look, you divide each term by 2 because it's a common factor. So cross these out and you're left with y to the second, plus cross these out, you're left with 10y. 42 divided by 2, 42 divided by 2 is 21. Now, can you factor, ignore the 2 even there. Can you factor this? And the answer is yes. This is the best, is when you can take a GCF out and you actually have something else you can factor. So it's going to be 2, it's going to be y plus 7, y plus 3. And now you are finished. You can't factor any further.